back from vacation from 2017 and it's 2018, and I'm so excited to bring you some new recipes, some new things, and I hope you enjoy them all. We are going to do something really simple today, and it's going to be easy, it's going to be fun, but you've got to like Brussels sprouts. It's called lemony Brussels sprouts. They're very, very simple, and this is what you do. You get about, I would say probably at least 2 cups of Brussels sprouts. You could start off with 1 if you want to just try it this way. So you get 2 cups or 1 cup of Brussels sprouts, and then you're going to slice them. You can use your food processor with a slicer blade, but you could also just cut them each in half, which is what I was doing when we started. And all you do once you do that, once you slice them in half, you're going to slice them in half like that. And you're just going to slice across like this. Now, when you're done, it's going to kind of look like cabbage, because they always did remind me of little cabbages. Brussels sprouts are a cruciferous vegetable. They're very good for you. There's sulfur in it. Excellent, excellent, like cabbage and broccoli. You're going to put them in. And I've already done these in the food processor, and that's what it looks like. Okay? Now, what you're going to do is really simple. Have your heat on medium-high. Put in a cup of vegetable broth and get it hot. In my cooking, I really don't use oil very often, and especially with my vegetables. I just like to taste how delicious they are. There's kind of a twist which gives them the name of lemon Brussels sprouts, is at the end, when I come back after they're all cooked, I'll show you what you do to them, and they'll be so delicious. You will love these, hot or cold. They taste great on a salad. You get your greens together, a little carrot, a little celery, little bit of green onion, some tomatoes, and then you just put these over the top, even after they've been cooked. It's really, really good. So I'm going to go and cook them now, and we'll be back in about 10-15 minutes, okay? I thought it was going to take about 10 or 15 minutes. It only takes about 6 or 7 minutes. They're done. And this is what they look like that. Very delicious. You could either keep it like this if you want to, but the other part that really is wonderful now, I want you to know, I never put much of anything on my vegetables, especially cruciferous vegetables. I usually just leave them that way and just eat them. But I found out that if you will put some lemon juice on them, you will really excite your palate. So I started off, just take pure lemon juice. I use 2 tablespoons because I love lemon juice. But if you don't like it so much, but you want to try it, just try a little bit. And then I just stir it up. And I put in a little black pepper. Probably, I would say maybe a quarter of a teaspoon, about that much. And do the same with the pepper, with the salt, about a quarter of a teaspoon as well. And that's it. So now you have lemony Brussels sprouts. It only takes really about 10 minutes to even dress it at the end. The hardest part, I would say, is probably getting them so that they're all sliced up. Once they're all sliced up, you're done. So now what we're going to do is plate it, and you can put it with another vegetable if you want. If you have some cut up carrots or celery or something. I happen to have tomatoes, so I'm using that. And there we go. Lemon Brussels sprouts. And I am going to taste them because I love them. They are hot. Make sure you get all the strings in your mouth, because you'll look really funny eating around people with little strings of Brussels sprouts hanging out. I like it plain, maybe with a little tomato on the side. But I have also eaten it with brown rice, over brown rice. And I like potatoes, so I just cut them in half, roast them, and then throw some of this on top. But this is really, really good. Plain. Try it. Either plain with potatoes, with rice. You could probably even do noodles if you want to, some kind of pasta. So enjoy your lemon Brussels sprouts in this new year of 2018. I know you will enjoy it. Bye for now.